Have you been curious about TEMU? This online retailer sells things for very inexpensive prices. But is it any good or is it junk? Today, I'll show you some of the best-selling travel items offered on TEMU.com, and every one of these products is under $10. If that sounds interesting, please keep watching. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're having a splendid day, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. If you're not new here, you might notice that I look a little bit tanner, and that is because I got a spray tan. Most people get tans when they go on a cruise. I get tans before I go on a cruise. I'm pretty pale naturally, and my skin is either white or red. And since red is painful, I use a lot of sunscreen and usually just go with the normal pale skin. But every once in a while, I like to get a spray tan. It's funny because I live in South Florida, and pretty frequently people will come up to me and they'll be like, "Oh, be careful, the sun's really strong here," because they think I'm a tourist. And then I say, "Oh no, I'm a Floridian, I'm just pale." So yes, my husband and I are going on the Valiant Lady out of San Juan in a couple days, and we're so excited. We are meeting my parents. If you are interested in Virgin Voyages or you want to hear my thoughts on the Valiant Lady, be sure to subscribe because I'll be doing lots of videos about it. So you've probably seen videos like this one all over YouTube and TikTok, where creators order and review items off of the TEMU website. And the reason there are so many videos is because a lot of people are interested if these are quality products because they're just so darn cheap. It's hard to believe you can get anything good. And until now, I have had no interest in ordering from TEMU. I am more of an Amazon Prime kind of girl, and I also shop local as often as I can. Oh, and these TEMU items are sold on Amazon. So if you are purchasing from Amazon, just know there is a chance that these are from the exact same manufacturer as the TEMU items. I'll show you some examples a little later in the video. So I've seen these videos where creators try TEMU items all over YouTube, but I never clicked on it, never watched one. But then one caught my eye and it said, "Trying TEMU travel items," and it's from a channel that I follow. Popluxe is the YouTube channel, and it is a makeup channel. But in this video, he was going on a trip, so he decided to order some TEMU travel items to see if they were any good. And I thought, hey, I'm going on a cruise. I should do the same thing. I'm not telling you to order from this retailer. This video is 100% not sponsored. But if you are thinking about ordering items from TEMU, I would like to help you not to buy crap. Now, since I got the idea from Popluxe, I will link that video in the description box below so you can check it out. I believe we only bought one of the same item, so if you like this video, you can check out his video after this one. All in all, I spent a total of about $50 on all of these items total, and that included shipping. The process was very smooth, and I got the items in about 4 or 5 days, so pretty fast. So with all that out of the way, let's dive in. So the first item I ordered is a travel jewelry case, and here it is. When you open it up, it has several different compartments. These are for rings, I guess, or earrings, and then you can put necklaces here. Then there's a pocket here, and then there's 3 little places where you can hang items, maybe bracelets. It zips, and this item was $2.78. On the website, they call it one-piece small jewelry box, travel portable jewelry case for ring, pendant, earring, necklace, bracelet, organizer, storage holder, boxes, gifts box for girls and women. That's a mouthful. I chose this color and I think it's really, really pretty, and I think it's going to be very useful for my cruise. I'm definitely going to use it. It looks like it's pretty high quality, except with the exception of the back. The back right here, I'll see if you can see it. Looks like it might be a little flimsy, But all in all, it's a pretty nice piece. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of these items are also sold on Amazon. I believe they manufacture them and sell them on TEMU.com, Amazon.com, and probably a lot of other places. So this is the one that I found on Amazon, and I believe it's the exact one I got. This is also made in China. This one retails for $9.99, but it is on sale right now, and this one is a lot more expensive than the one that I got on TEMU.com. The one that I got was under $3. Next is a portable pill box where you can separate and bring along all your vitamins or your aspirin or whatever you like. And here's the one that I got. This was $1.79, and now I'll read you what this is called on the website. On the website, it says this is an 8-grid portable sealed medicine box suitable for outdoors, camping, hiking, and fishing, moisture-proof and safe. I don't know why they specified hiking, fishing, and camping, but okay. So this is hard plastic, and it seems like it is very high quality, particularly for under $2. The one thing that I will say is it had this inside of it, and it's very hard to get back into place and close. So I've just decided to take it out. But inside you can see that there are various compartments. And you simply open up the compartment, and then you can put your pills inside, and then you can snap it closed. Also on the other side, there are larger compartments, maybe for your Tums. You can open those up and then snap them closed, and then the whole thing snaps together like this. So it is pretty cute. It's very hard plastic. It's incredibly durable, and I think it would do the job. So no complaints. Again, I think I found the exact same one on Amazon. This one has the brand name on it, but other than that, it's the exact same. Next up, we have a toiletry bag, and here is the one that I got, and this one was $4.39. Now, if you go on Temu's website and the prices are a little bit different, I have noticed that the prices can fluctuate day to day, usually by like a quarter or 50 cents. So if it's not the exact same price, that's why. But this is really nice. It feels like great quality. It has a strap on the side, and it has zippers on the top. And when you open it up, there is a nice size compartment for all of your toiletries. There is also a zippered mesh compartment here. And in the front, there is an additional pocket right here. And on it, it says travel bag with a little airplane. It's really nice, and for under $5, I think it's great. And my husband has already claimed this. I also got another toiletry organizer, and this one I couldn't find on the site when I went back to look for it. Maybe it's sold out, but this one was under $10. And this one is also super nice. Has a handle, and when you open it up, it has 4 different compartments. And you can see that 2 have the plastic covering and 2 have the mesh, and they have little slots here for makeup brushes or toothbrushes. It also has a hook, so you can hang it. And this feels like it is amazing quality, really, really, really nice. So at least you can get an idea that some of the things that you can get on Temu, I can only speak for the things that I bought, are really nice quality for under $10. Next, we have a passport holder. And on the website, this was $2.67, and here it is. I picked the turquoise one. It has the little strap here to keep your documents protected. And when you open it up, oops, little paper fell out. And when you open it up, your passport goes here, and there are card slots for credit cards or IDs there. This looks durable and good quality, and I'm going to give this to my daughter. This is her favorite color. Next, we have a carry-on bag. And once again, I was really impressed with the quality. This was $9.09, and here it is. I picked the purple one. It's a really good size. It seems to be very, very well made. And on the front, it says, "Take you to see the world." Not sure if you can see that. This is super roomy. It has a strap for shoulders, and it also has zippers on the side. So you get a whole additional compartment underneath. That's super nice, you guys, for $9.09. On the back, it has a pocket, and it has another zippered pocket. And all in all, I just think this is a great piece. And again, this is going to go to my daughter. She really likes blue and purple. Next is a set of 6 packing cubes and travel bags. And again, it was $10 for all 6. Here is one of the bags. It zippers. It has a mesh cover here. And here it has the little clips to help keep your items secure. It has 2 of them in those bags. So this is one that I got. Here is a second one that I got, a little bit smaller. It also has the clips inside. Here is the third one that I got, also has the clips inside. Oh, and they also all have handles, which is very, very nice. Then I got a travel bag here, which looks like it is for toiletries. I'll zip that up. It's just a basic zippered bag. You could put toiletries in here, maybe socks or something like that. And then it also came with 2 additional travel bags. This is this one. This, I believe, is for shoes. And on it, it says, "Wish you have a colorful life." Okay. At first, I thought that was nice. And then I thought, wait, maybe they're saying, we wish you had a colorful life, because maybe I don't. So I'm not really sure what that means, but this is useful. Next, we have a little makeup bag or maybe a little TSA bag for your toiletries that you're allowed to bring on planes. And again, it says, "Wish you have a colorful life." And it zips up the top. Pretty basic, but for $6, that's not a bad price at all. And last but not least, we have a luggage scale. And you know, if you go to the airport, your bags aren't supposed to be over 50 pounds or you have to pay extra. So if you have one of these, you can weigh your suitcase before you go to the airport and make sure you don't have to pay extra. But does it work? And I tested it and it does. When I purchased it from TEMU's website, it was $5.38. I think it's on sale now. So how it works is you just take this hook and you put it underneath the handle of the suitcase. You clip it back on here and you weigh the suitcase. On the top, this is how you turn it on. And this came with batteries. So you can see it's at, well, I don't know if you can see this, but it's at 000. Also next to it, there's a unit. So you can do kilograms or pounds. And I thought this totally didn't work because it was on kilograms. And then I realized what I had done and switched it to pounds. All you have to do is click the unit button to switch back and forth. And the button next to that turns it on and off. I'm sorry if you can't see that. So how I tested this was I weighed an empty suitcase and then I added an 8-pound hand weight. And it was dead on. So for $5.38 or even cheaper now, this really does work. And those are all the items I have for you today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And I'd also love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I do lots of different travel videos and I would absolutely love it if you would join my traveling party. Have you ever ordered from TEMU? Let me know your experience. I would love to hear all about it. There is still time to join me on my Bad Moms cruise. This is on the Scarlet Lady, February 21st. It's coming up fast. We have about 50 bad moms from all over the country coming: California, Minnesota, Texas, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts. I could go on and on. We're going to have a lot of fun and some exclusive events, and there are still staterooms available. So if you are interested in joining us or learning more, just email fst@goprestigetravel.com. If you'd like to talk travel with me just a little bit longer, I will link 2 videos at the end that I think you might like. The video on the left is 10 unique and useful items you might want to bring with you on your next cruise. And the video on the right is all about the most exciting new ships for 2024. Where I chat with a good friend of mine who is the president of a travel agency, and we talk about the ships that we are dying to get on. Until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you when I get back from the Valiant Lady. Bye.